getting my box stock kit set for today's race.
Welcome to the Race Run series. In this segment, we'll be pushing our featured build to the limit, testing the speed, time, and stability. I'll do my best to capture all the action, so sit back, relax, and let's hit the track.
Welcome back, guys. We're here at SMBF for the Tamiya Backyard event. Time to hit the box stock race. Here's a quick recap of our race lap times. Unfortunately, we didn't make it to the quarterfinals this time, but it was still an awesome experience and we had a blast at the event. Big congratulations to all the winners! If you're enjoying this race run series, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mini for WD content coming your way. Thanks so much for your continued support. Special thanks to Tamiya Backyard for hosting such an amazing Mini for WD event. Make sure to like and follow their Facebook page for updates on future races. Also, a big shout out to SM Supermalls for having us. If you're looking to shop, check out their website for more info. See you again in the next Mini for WD series.